Welcome to the STC Market Bull Academy, where we dive deep into the world of Forex trading with your expert tutor, Bilal Safdar. Forex trading is all about currency pairs. Each pair shows the value of one currency relative to another, like the euro to US dollar pair, where 1 euro equals 1.10 US dollars. In any currency pair, the first currency is known as the base currency. For example, in the euro to US dollar pair, the euro is the base, always equating to 1 unit. The second currency in a pair is the quote currency, indicating how much of it is needed to purchase 1 unit of the base currency. In the euro to US dollar pair, the US dollar is the quote. The US dollar is a staple in the most traded currency pairs worldwide, such as euro to US dollar, pound sterling to US dollar, and US dollar to Japanese yen, reflecting its global economic influence. Cross-currency pairs, like euro to pound sterling and pound sterling to Japanese yen, do not include the US dollar, offering diverse trading opportunities beyond the major currency pairs. Exotic currency pairs combine a major currency with one from a developing or emerging economy, such as US dollar to Turkish lira or US dollar to South African rand, presenting unique trading dynamics. In Forex trading, the bid price is what the broker buys at, and the ask price is what the broker sells at. The difference between these prices is known as the spread. For the euro to US dollar pair, a bid of 1.1000 and an ask of 1.1002 results in a spread of 0.0002, or 2 pips, illustrating the cost of trading. Grasping the concept of currency pairs is essential in Forex trading, helping traders identify strong economies, spot trading opportunities, and manage risk exposure. Forex trading revolves around pairs, with the base and quote currencies defining the pair, and the bid/ask prices creating the spread. Major, minor, and exotic pairs offer varied trading experiences. Thank you for joining us at STC Market Bull Academy. We hope you gained valuable insights into Forex trading with Bilal Safdar. Happy